decade-old Yamaha YZ125 has been growing long in the tooth for some time now. The 2017 KTM has over 3 horsepower, better brakes, better clutch, and forks that are in the ballpark of Yamaha's home-run K-Alpha SSS components. The question is, can you pony up close to $7,000 to go orange? Truth be told, we aren't big fans of the 2016 and prior 125 SX. The suspension was terrible, and we'd rather live with the old YZ125. So to buy used, in our professional opinion, go blue. We did. We bought a used 2006 and 2011 YZ125. If you're asking why we bought 2 YZ125, it was to compare the difference of a big bore 134 and 144. More displacement the better, right? Wrong. We wanted to make both these YZ125s as similar as possible, so the only difference was the CC displacement. We had factory connections set up both bike suspensions identical. Both bikes had the same Hinson clutch components, Tass oversized brakes, faster USA wheels, same pipe and silencer, Dunlop S3 tires, V-Force recages, all balls cables, applied triple clamps, uni filter, and the engine builder Tom Morgan. The pistons, cylinder repairs, bottom ends, crank balancing, and gaskets were for the same companies of both bikes. So which bike was better between the YZ134 and 144? There's no winner here other than the blue-collar worker. Each bike is specific to skill level and terrain type. The 144 suits tight tracks, vets, and novices. The 134 caters to intermediates and pros. We will say that both bikes handle differently even though the bikes have the exact same suspension and valving. All riders favor the 134's handling due to the smoother power band and constant rev on top, which kept the weight on the rear of the bike. The 144 bounced around more and felt heavier due to its flat rev on top. However, the factory connection setup was head over heels better than the K-Alpha SSS components, and that's saying something. Both these bikes were faster than the KTM 125 SX competition, no questions asked. For a full write-up of the Yamaha YZ134 versus YZ144, pick up an upcoming issue of Motocross Action magazine or go to motocrossactionmag.com for all the latest news in the motocross industry.